So how is it that you can have a beautiful life no matter where you are or what's going on? Okay, I admit it, I'm in Kauai. It is beautiful here. The sun has been shining, it's been wonderful. We've been relaxing on the beach, sitting by the pool. We've gone on some hikes. It is beautiful here. Not compared to California, it's about 45 degrees and foggy. It's about 75 degrees here, and it's been wonderful. It's been very relaxing. I feel like I'm out of my element. I feel like this is a different place, that I don't have the stressors of work, all the regular issues that we face at home. I feel like I'm excluded from all that, not involved in those things at all, and I feel like I've had a real reprieve from all the challenges of life, just to be able to spend some time with some family and Janet. It really has been restful, and we're only halfway through the trip right now. If you've been encouraged by this video, would you subscribe so that you'll be notified when more videos come out, and would you share this with somebody? You know, as I thought about that, I thought to myself, why is it that only we have to go to Hawaii to experience this? Why is it that we have a mentality, it's easy for me to say it right now, that you're in Hawaii, you're all relaxed, you're able to just enjoy the time and not think about all those things. Why do we have that mentality that's only here? We are so inundated with all the challenges and the issues that we face in our life that we feel like we have to get away to somewhere like Kauai in order to get the rest that we need. But I was thinking about that in Psalm 23, where David is talking about, in all of those Psalms, the difficulties that he faced. He writes in Psalm 23 about, even though he goes through the valley of the shadow of death, and other Psalms, how he faced difficulty. But it's interesting, in the first part of Psalm 23, he said, he makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. Interesting, in the midst of all that he was facing, he didn't need to go to Hawaii. He didn't need to exclude himself and remove himself from all the stressors, because he could find that in his relationship with God. The shepherd of his soul knew exactly what David needed, and David believed that in all the ways that God would lead him, that he would also lead him beside quiet waters, that God was the one that was going to restore his soul. If there's been a time in your life where you have found that rest for your soul, that you have seen God lead you beside quiet waters, I'd encourage you to leave a comment below. We need to be sharing and talking about these things and encouraging each other. And the comment section below is a place for you to share that and encourage other people that are also watching. That's been a challenge for me this week as we've been here, because I have been relaxed, but to go back into the workforce, to go back into life with all the pressures that I face, and to believe that he is the one that leads me beside quiet waters. He is the one that restores my soul. It's an interesting challenge to think about that it's not our circumstances, that we can have that peace that goes beyond understanding, that is not based on our context, our situation, as if we would ever have as our goal to be isolated in a bubble from this world and all that we face. We can never do that. But in the midst of all that we face, that he can lead us beside still waters. He can restore our soul. And to begin to think about that in our lives, to allow God to lead us to that place of restoration, that place of peace. If we allow him to, he knows the issues that you're facing in your life. He wants to lead you beside quiet waters. He wants to restore your soul. Will you allow him to? Will I allow him to? There's so much in our lives that we have to deal with, but we have a shepherd of our soul that wants to help us. We don't need to escape. We don't need to come to Kauai, although it is very nice. But we don't need to escape from the issues in our lives. Sometimes we can't. I was talking to somebody recently, and she was saying how she has this amazing peace, even though she was facing cancer, that she had this amazing peace and rest that came over her. Not because she escaped it, but because in the midst of it, that God was the one that was leading her beside quiet waters. God was the one that was restoring her soul. You know, we live in a world that is so full of turmoil and angst and anxiety. And for us as believers in Jesus Christ to have that confidence that there is a shepherd of our soul, that he will lead us, that he will restore us, that he will give us the strength and all that we need in this life. I tell you, if you think about the best is yet to be in your life, as you go through the second part of your life and as you grow in your faith, you need to have that rest. You need to have that faith that comes not from our circumstances, but from God.